Hey everyone, Real Deal Aneil here with another Real Deal Aneil unboxing. Here we go. Let's open up this, well, not really a box, it's a package, but it's in another package. Inside another pack. I'm just kidding. A Jay White Switchblade t-shirt. The Bullet Club on the side. They don't sell this anymore on Pro Wrestling Tees, so I was able to get this on eBay for 20 bucks. I don't want to wear it because it's not washed. On 5'6", so, and this is a small. Well, that's another episode of the Real Deal Aneil unboxing. Thanks for watching. If you like what you saw, please leave a like, a subscribe, a comment. I think I said that wrong, but anyway, thanks for watching, and sweet.